Everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Adele and I make lifestyle and fashion videos. I have not posted on this channel in like over 3 months and I don't even have an excuse. I really just think that the winter months are really tough already as it is, and then you add the layer of being in lockdown and just having no motivation or inspiration to do anything aside from like your regular routine, and that'll lead to not posting for 3 months. So daylight savings happened, my energy levels are finally coming back. I feel like I was like dead for 3 months and I'm slowly coming back to life because we get so many extra hours of sunlight now, and I can actually do and film stuff after work, whereas before I would have like such a short window to get like my workout in, and then if I wanted to film with like natural lighting, which I prefer, I really couldn't do that. So things are turning around and I have a spring haul, like an early spring haul. I've just been shopping a bit in the past month or two, so I thought it'd be really fun to just show you guys what I purchased, and this seems to be what people like to watch on my channel. So let's get right into the video. I'm gonna start with accessories and I'm gonna go into clothing and other things that I got. The first thing is I got a new phone and I have some, well, why don't you just tug at it like that? I got a new phone this month I think, and I got some fun accessories for it. So I got a new wildflower case. I love their cases. I feel like they're actually really protective, and they come out higher than the screen, so if your phone falls face forward it like doesn't actually touch the screen. And I have been known to crack, like my 2 past phones I've had small cracks on the screen, so I really want to avoid that with this one. And then I also got this little fun phone chain, and it's by a company called Ting. It's a small business. I think it's just one person and she does it out of her like house, I'm pretty sure. This is like a really new thing that she started, but I saw Sydney Carlson wearing this on Instagram and I was like, wait, that's so cute. That's like such a fun way to like spice up your phone case and just your phone in general. So I purchased it, and yeah, I'll leave her website in the description box if you guys want to check her out and shop there. She's really sweet. We exchanged a couple DMs and I just love people who are like interactive with their customers. I love that. And the next thing that I got are just these 2 pair of sunglasses. I got these off of Amazon. I got really basic black ones, just a basic black frame. I've worn these a couple of times and yeah, they're super basic. They might be dirty. I don't know if you guys can see. I need to clean them, but this is just what they look like on. They're really cute. Just a fun way to accessorize your outfits and also protect your eyes from the sun. And the next pair is a little more funky. They're yellow frame sunglasses. I've seen them all over like Pinterest and Instagram, and I know Lexola makes them, but they're like $200 I think for a pair of sunglasses, and I was like, I don't know, I feel like for a trendy pair of sunglasses it's not really worth me spending $200. So I just got these ones on Amazon. Ew, they're really dirty. They're a little cleaner, but this is what they look like on. They're definitely a look. Like I feel like not everyone would like these. Definitely more funky and like a statement piece for sure, but I love them and I think they really spice up your outfits and they just make you look 10 times cooler and 10 times more put together. So I will link those in the description box if you guys wanted to get those for yourself, as well as everything else I've purchased. So I'm going to start with the pieces I got from H&M. I got this purple fuzzy sweatshirt. It's pretty self-explanatory. I got this because I needed a lot more color in my wardrobe and I didn't have just like casual sweaters like this, but literally this paired with like jeans, leather pants, it will make you look so put together and all you're doing is putting on a sweater. I think it's so freaking cute, and I'm really into like the bold colors right now for spring, and they look really good on my skin. Honestly, I feel like bold colors and melanin, it's like the handshake. They go so well together. So yeah, and this was on sale for like 10 bucks, and I also got this in a size, let's see, small. So I got this in a size small just for reference. Next thing that I got was just this oversized sage green cardigan. This color is like so nice. I think I only own like one other thing like this in my closet, and it's just super flattering. It's like a beautiful color, really oversized. You guys will see everything in the try on portion, how like everything fits. I got this in a size extra small. I feel like it's just a really easy cardigan to have, and you can wear like literally anything with this. Next top that I got is another basic item that I needed, and it is just a ribbed long sleeve, but it has like a different neck, like it has a square neck, and this was also on sale for $14.99, and I got this in a size extra small. and it's really cute and super standard. So I forgot to show that I got this little baby doll. Oh, this is the back. I got this little baby doll dress from H&M, and this is super cute. I'm really excited. I feel like this would look really cute with the loafers, but it's definitely going to be warm this weekend, so I might actually wear this out. And yeah, I got this in a size small. It's really flattering. I was kind of scared just because I don't usually wear dresses that like don't give me shape, but you guys will see in the try on, it looks so good on. Next item that I got is actually what I'm wearing right now, and it's just a blue rib tank top. I'll show you guys what it looks like now so I don't have to do it in the try on portion, but yeah, it's super standard. I love the like cut of it. I feel like it's so flattering, and they have this in like 2 other colors, and I think I might actually get it just because of how flattering it is. So the first thing that I got is this cardigan and maxi dress set. I feel like matching sets are so in for spring, and these colors, they just look so good. You guys will see in the try on portion, but this dress is like so flattering. It's just a spaghetti strap dress, and you can wear each of these items individually. I actually wore the cardigan the other day with like a pair of jeans because it's like warm out, but it's also really slushy, so it's not really the time to wear like long dresses. But I can't wait for when it gets warmer and all the snow is gone and I'm able to wear this. It's so, oh, I love it. It's super cute. And I got both of these. Did I say what yeah, I got both of these in a size small. The next item is just a cropped jacket. I have like a longer jacket, but I don't have any like shorter ones, so I just thought it'd be good to get this. And this is also on sale, which is why I got it. It was $39 and it was originally $80, so 50% off, which is really, really good. And then I got this in a size small, and these colors are really, really pretty. These colors I feel like are more fall vibes, but I could definitely make this work for spring. Super cute. The next item that I got from Zara was actually luck. Like, I did not think I was going to be able to get these shoes. I saw that they were on sale for $15 and they're originally like 60 bucks, but they were sold out of my size, and I was like, oh, that's really upsetting. They were sold out of all the sizes, I'm pretty sure. And then I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Zara website, but sometimes when you'll go on an item like 2-3 days later, all of a sudden they'll have your size out of nowhere. So I was browsing late at night and I just clicked on the shoes just to see, and the only size that was in stock was my size, and I'm like, this is a sign I need to purchase these right now. Even if they were ugly, I wouldn't have been mad because they were only $15, but they're so cute. They're just these black patent leather loafers, and they're a really good dupe for the Prada ones if you don't want to spend a ton of money on them. I'll go check to see if they have these in stock now, or if they have other sizes that are in stock. If not, I'll link, either they're dirty. I wore them like once or twice. But I'll link a similar pair on the Zara website in the description because I think these might be sold out, but they're so freaking cute. And yeah, I can't wait to get more wear out of them. Clearly I already love them. Like, you can see the bottoms, they're kind of gross right now. I totally forgot to show this at the beginning, but another case that I got for my phone was this really cute Casetify case, and it's just a little Pacific blue case with my initials in cursive at the bottom. And yeah, this is really cute. I see everybody talking about Casetify cases, so I was like, let me just use one of these influencers coupon codes and let me just test them out myself. I haven't actually worn them on my phone yet, but I know that like they always do the drop test and it seems to work really well, so I'll let you guys know how I like this case when I end up actually putting it on my phone. The spot that I purchased stuff off of was Princess Polly, and I got a couple items. First thing that I got were just these Bermuda shorts. They're two-toned denim, and I got these in a size US 4. They fit really, really well. They're a little baggy, but that's like what I wanted, so I'm not even mad about it. And yeah, they're really cute. They're pretty self-explanatory. I needed a pair of Bermuda shorts like these. I feel like all my other shorts are just like really short shorts, but these are nice. They cover the bum really nice. It's a really good staple for spring and summer, so I'm really happy with these. I was kind of hesitant to buy shorts online or like jeans online just because I never know how things are gonna fit, but I am pleasantly surprised with the fit. You guys will see in the try-on portion. Next thing that I got is just this little lioness ribbed one shoulder tank top. It's like a pretty color. It's not really showing up. Wait, maybe if I zoom in, it's not really yeah, okay, so it's more of like a real neon orange. This is like more of the color that you actually see. It's one shoulder, it's ribbed. It looks really, really cute on, and I feel like it's such a good summer shirt to have, spring summer shirt to have. The next thing I got was actually, I was trying to find a dupe for the RUMI Playsuit that they have. It's like a black long sleeve Playsuit, and I think it's so cute. So I found this on Princess Polly for like a quarter of the price, and I got it in a size 2. So flattering. I feel like this with a pair of like cowboy boots and like a denim jacket in the summer or spring would be really, really cute. You guys will see how this looks in the try on portion. It's really flattering and it hugs my body in just the right way. And the fact that it's ribbed and black just makes you look so much more slim, and I'm really happy with this purchase. Yeah, I got some swimsuits from SHEin, and then I also got a couple of purses, just like everyday purses, because I needed more everyday bags. So let me show you guys the swimsuits that I got. Most of these are just 2 pieces. Well, all of them are 2 pieces. I got this little one. It has like the cinching detail around here, and it's just a tie strap. And then the bottoms are also a tie strap. These bottoms are probably the most flattering bottoms. I'll be trying the bathing suits on, to be honest, but I'm sure I'll post Instagram pictures in these at some point during the summer. But these bottoms are literally so flattering, you guys. They hug your body in like just the right way, and I like the fact that you can actually, you tie it yourself, so you can get it up as high as you want on your waist to give you that like hourglass shape. So that's the first bathing suit that I got. The next one I was actually scared to get because there was like no reviews, and usually I like only trust the reviews because you never know how something's gonna fit. But this looks so cute. I know these look really small on camera, but this is a bit more coverage on the back, which is really, really good. And it's this really pretty like pink flower detail. And then the top is very similar to the last top that I showed you guys, just that blue top. But this does have 2 strings, so I think you can tie it in like different ways. I just haven't figured out or played around with it as much, but it has 2 strings instead of the 1 standard string. So that's what this looks like. I'm like manifesting that I get vaccinated by like August and I'm able to actually go somewhere and wear these bathing suits. So yeah, this is the next pair. They're just this floral pair. They're really cute. These ones are more cheeky. Obviously you can tell by how tiny they are. I love the ones that you could tie at the side just because there's a lot more room to adjust them, as opposed to the ones that are just like you have to yank them up to give you that look. Last pair, which is the pair that I was the most excited for, and it did not disappoint at all. It's these bottoms. So they're the tie bottoms that I was talking about, and I love them. The pattern is like really funky and all the colors are so fun and in for spring. I'm really excited to wear these. Oh my god. Ugh, I just really want to manifest going somewhere. And then these ones have, the top has like the really long string so that you can kind of, look how long this is, like it's so freaking long, but it's so that you can crisscross it at the front. And then it comes with a little sarong. Please, I hope I'm not embarrassing myself. I hope I said that right. But it comes with this little tie thing to tie the bottoms. It's so cute. Like, and then I'm gonna show you the bags that I got from SHEin. I got 3 bags. I just got this bag and like a brown color, a brown leather color, and then I got it in the black as well. These are just like everyday bags. Then I also got just this little tote bag for like workout classes and just running errands, maybe even doing some groceries. But this is really cute, and it has like a zip on the inside so you can actually close it. That is the last thing that I got from SHEin. And then the biggest item that I got, you guys, is this purse from Louis Vuitton. I have been honestly thinking about treating myself to a purse for like 4 or 5 months now. I told myself that if I got this one job, that I would treat myself to a new bag as like a reward. And also my birthday came recently. I turned 24, and I feel like it was just time that I treat myself. So I got this bag this past weekend and I'm obsessed with it. I was debating between this and another Prada bag, but ultimately like this one, just I fell in love with it when I saw it in the store. I was like, this needs to be mine, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Ah! The moment of truth. It comes in this little dust bag. Obviously, if you've bought bags from them, you know this is standard. And then it's called the New Wave Multi Pochette. So this is the shoulder bag version. You can wear this bag 3 ways. This is the shoulder bag, and then you also have the longer strap that you can attach it and wear it as a crossbody. And then you can remove the chain completely, where this is just a crossbody, or obviously like I did now, you can remove the chain and wear it as a little shoulder bag, like a night out bag. I feel like it's the perfect size bag for me, and I was looking for something that I could wear every day, just because I don't have any like really nice everyday bags. I wear this one that my friend got me from ASOS, and like I've worn it to death. So I think it was time that I treated myself to a new bag. I'm just really proud of myself. And yeah, these are definitely an investment too, because they always go up in price. So I think I definitely did make a good decision. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys made it this far, like the video, comment down below what your favorite item was. I know mine was obviously the bag, and I think the swimsuits, because I really do think they were a hit. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.